Hello everyone. In today's episode of Neet Diaries, we are revising for an offline test which is of PW's NRTS 11 of 11th of January 2026. First of all, I make a list of all the questions that I have to go through. In this clip, I am doing exactly that. And the very first session of my revision is always the longest, so I don't get exhausted at the very end. And I'm starting with biology's PYQs. I'm revising all the PYQs I did wrong during my prep of the syllabus, and it was quite a lot. I haven't been preparing quite well for PW's test because of the syllabus different from my coaching and PW's test syllabus. But since this exam was something in which most of the questions and most of the chapters were already prepared, so I decided to go like all out in this one, and it went okay type. I am editing this on 5th of January, so of course my exam went quite good, not as expected. And now I am doing the quick notes of chemistry, and since it was organic chemistry, I had to make sure that I was doing a slot of 2 hours, 2 to 3 hours, because organic does take time. And I was preparing for haloalkanes, haloarenes, and alcohol, phenols, and ethers. Quite easy chapters, but lengthy reactions. And after doing all of that, please make, if you are preparing for any offline exams, please make sure that you eat before you go, or else your stomach will be grumbling, like literally grumbling, while you write your test. After doing all of this, I started revising physics, and in this test, I prepared for two chapters of physics, which was magnetism and matter, and current electricity. My physics of class 12th is quite strong, so they were comparatively easier to do. But since this was first time I was doing this chapter in 2026, or you can say in my NEET prep, I had a little bit of problem, but we pushed through. We did it. Uh, anyway, my test didn't went quite well, but there's always something we have learned, and I learned how to prepare. So let's be hopeful. That's it. Bye bye.